Ah, you can see me. I have an idea for a swivel kit based around this. And yes, I did put a chain on it to it as a neck knife. Also, something I forgot to show. Okay, say like I use it as a neck knife. I'm right-handed, so... But if you're left-handed, does it either way. That's pretty cool, right? I have a first aid kit with me, by the way, so I'm not being stupid to be stupid. And look at that. Actually, let me take this off real quick so y'all can see this. But yeah, I have a good idea for a swivel kit, the base on this, and yes, it is full tank, y'all. There's a thing right here that I could put whatever, but isn't that nice? Like alligator type. That's nice, man. And it does, as I said, it does fit my hand perfectly. I have room so I can and all that. So yeah. I know one thing I'm gonna put on here. With this, my sling bow, my little slingshot sling bow I got from Good Workshops. Also, and easy to do one. Now I wouldn't do that, but yeah, it has the easy to. I forgot to mention it has this. That if you have it like this, you can easily. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Honestly, for like $6, it's like $5.97 or $5.94. For $6, it's actually a pretty decent knife, actually. Yeah. Pretty nice. Pretty nice little neck knife, little survival type knife. So, yeah. Anyway. Also, the belt clip is like, and I hate that. That's one way to get as a neck knife. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to cook dinner. Tonight will be a beans and rice Cajun bowl. So yeah, a Cajun bowl of beans and rice. Anyway, peace.